I would want to kill her stepfather because he couldn't cheat with a 16-year-old daughter. Alright, things did happen a little different. I'm listening. Mike was pissed, and I didn't want him to see me with Mandy, so you roughed him up. No, I tried to get him to calm down and point him in the right direction. Away from you and Mandy. Look, I left right after he did. She's 16 years old. Okay, that's all it took for me to come to my senses. It's against the rules for us to get off of you. You seem concerned about the rules. I don't want to lose my job. You know, right now, my friend, that is the least of your problems. All right. Thanks. David? Never a good sign. Rebecca Faraday's a Miami native, so I contacted her family, checked local hospitals, morgues. Yeah, what about the ship? Searched all the common areas, ship's quarters, you name it. That girl is not on the boat. Checked everything. Unless I don't know the meaning of the word. Check the bills, check the tank, garbage room. I know she be in the garbage. But that's the only place you didn't check, Trevor. Come on, come on, tell me. Jessup. Sir. Good job, boys.